In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily clean history and website browsing data on Safari browser. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, and here scroll down until you find Safari. And here scroll down for a bit, and there you have to find Clear History and Website Data feature. Then just tap here, and it says that clearing remove history, cookies and other browsing data. History will be cleared from devices signed in to your iCloud account. And now I'll just tap at Clear History and Data. And now it asks if I also want to close all tabs. I can select Close tabs or Keep tabs. I will tap on Keep tabs, and that's it. Website history and data has just been cleared. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.